The Sanskrit name Surya here refers to the sun and Namaskara means salutations. Surya is visible God. He is the basis of all creation. Surya Namaskara is the complete sadhana, spiritual practice. In itself for it includes asana, pranayama, mantra and meditation techniques. It is an effective way of loosening up, stretching, massaging and toning all the joints, muscles and internal organs of the body. It is an excellent group of asanas with which to start morning practice. Before commencing the practice, stand with the feet together, keep the eyes closed, slowly bend the elbows and place the palms together in front of the chest in Namaskara Mudra, mentally offering homage to the sun, the source of all life. Relax the whole body. Om Mitraya Namaha. Salutations to the friend of all. Raise and stretch both arms above the head, keeping them shoulder width apart. Bend the head, arms and upper trunk slightly backward. Om Ravaye Namaha. Salutations to the Shining One. Bend forward from the hips until the fingers or palms of the hands touch the floor on either side of the feet. Bring the forehead as close to the knees. Do not strain. Keep the knees straight. Om Suryaya Namaha. Salutations to He who induces activity. Place the hands on the floor beside the feet. Stretch the right leg back as far as is comfortable and grasp the floor with the toes. At the same time, bend the left knee, keeping the left foot on the floor in the same position. Keep the arms straight. Om Vanave Namaha. Salutations to He who illumines. Take the left foot back beside the right foot. Simultaneously raise the buttocks and lower the head between the arms so that the back and legs from two sides of a triangle. Bring the head and shoulders towards the knees. Do not strain. Om Khagaya Namaha. Salutations to He who moves quickly in the sky. Keep the hands and feet in place. Lower the knees, chest and chin to the floor. The feet will come up onto the toes. In the final position, only the toes, knees, chest, hands and the chin touch the floor. Om Pusne Namaha. Salutations to the giver of strength. Keep the hands and feet in place. Slide the chest forward and raise first the head, the shoulders, then straightening the elbows. Arch the back into the cobra pose. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Salutations to the golden cosmic self. Keep the arms and legs straight. Grip the floor with the toes and use the strength of the arms to raise the buttocks and lower the heels to the floor. Om Marichaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord of the Dawn. Keep the palms flat on the floor and the left foot in place. Bend the right leg and bring it forward between the hands. Simultaneously, lower the left knee so that it touches the floor and arch back. Om Adityaya Namaha. Salutations to the son of Aditi, the cosmic mother. Bring the left foot forward next to the right foot. Straighten both legs. Bring the forehead as close to the knees as possible without straining. Om Savitre Namaha. Salutations to the Lord of creation. Keep the arms and spine in straight line. Raise the torso and stretch the arms above the head. Bend the head, arms and upper trunk backward slightly. Om Arkaya Namaha. Salutations to He who is fit to be praised. Bring the palms together in front of the chest. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Salutations to He who leads to enlightenment. Relax. Samastiti.